Today I'm here to try these 3 Chinese Lay's flavored potato chips. This one is roasted garlic oyster flavor. There's some oysters there. This one is fried crab flavor, and there's a crab there. And then this one is roasted cumin artificial lamb skewer flavor. There's the skewers there, lamb skewers. This is the roasted garlic oyster flavor. Let me try that. This one actually does have like a garlic taste and a little bit of an oyster taste. And oyster and garlic both are in the ingredient list. Also anchovy. So let's try out this fried crab flavor. I'm not sure what flavor I'm tasting here, but it doesn't really taste like fried crab to me. It's probably just the seasoning of the crab. I think there's actually flounder and clams in here. This one is roasted cumin lamb skewer flavor. This one you could taste the cumin. The spices. It's supposed to have Sichuan pepper in it too. And there's no lamb in this one, just the seasoning they put on the lamb skewers. That one's got a really good flavor. So let's see. I think I like these 2 the best. Roasted garlic oyster flavor, and then the roasted cumin artificial lamb skewer flavor. And then this one, it just didn't taste as much like the. It didn't have much of the flavors of anything. So I'm going to give these 2 A's, and I'm going to give this one a B. So I'm going to take another bite, and I'll see you in the next one.